Hello riders, this is Syed and welcome back to my channel after a long time, and I have Latish along with me.
Hi.
So today is 5th of February 2021 and I have booked a new bike. As you guys might already know by the thumbnail, today we are going to take the delivery of our new bike, which is the Bajaj Dominar 400 here in Hyderabad in Toli Chowki. It's been 6 years that I have bought my first bike, that is Yamaha FZ, and I have decided to upgrade my bike to a bigger cc bike. The reasons for choosing Dominar are many. Personally, I love Dominar, so that is the reason I finalized Dominar. So this is the brand new 2021 Dominar, and I booked this Dominar last week. Just now I got a call from the showroom that my bike is ready. So here we are for taking the delivery. Also, I have got few colleagues and friends waiting at the showroom. So let's go and take the delivery at the showroom. I have Latish, Param, Shriman and अपने शाहिद भाई. शाहिद भाई, thank you. Thank you for the nice delivery and on-time delivery. Yeah. So it's time to hop onto Dominar and enjoy the rides. Okay? See you on Dominar.
ఎటు వల్ల మీరు మిమ్మల్ని ఫాలో అవుతాం సాయంత్రం నేను వీడు ఓకేనా కాకా నువ్వే దారి చూపించాలి ఓకేనా అరే పరం లెట్స్ మూవ్ లెట్స్ గో థ్యాంక్స్ కాకా So guys, first ride on Dominar. Hello. Let's go. First ride on Dominar.
So guys, here is my brand new Dominar 2021, and for a biker, nothing can match the feeling of riding his new bike. As I got the bike in the month of February, it was one of the first few of 2021 units. The on-road price was around 2,41,000, which is 4,000 more than the 2020 model, though there is no major upgrade on the bike. I don't think that it needs an update after all, but it's only my opinion. So after the delivery, I took it for a short spin around the city traffic of Hyderabad and was so excited to ride my new bike. As it is a new bike and also there was an RPM lock on the bike, I couldn't rev it hard, but after the first service, I hope to do many long rides on this machine. So stay tuned for the upcoming review on 2021 Dominar on my channel. Until then, let me enjoy my new ride and you guys Ride hard, ride safe.
కొద్దిగా లేస్తాం, బండ్ల మీద తిరుగుతాం, చాయ్ తాగుతాం. మా హైఫై కాక. నువ్వు ఏంది నీ కథ? ఉంటావా పోతావా? ఉంటా. బండిది